I've started a new database file here and I've called it Paris List, and I'm trying to populate it with some species that might work well in the French capital. And I've entered botanical name, common name there, plant type, its ornamental features. We'd use this as a specimen tree, what conditions, and you can see I've made some translation here, full sun and partial shade and so on have been changed to the French language, and I haven't changed these criteria here in this particular landscape uses field, but I have made some attempt to change flower colour to an appropriate language set. So you can just fill out the information for that species. I've been able to find on our website an image, and I've been able to copy the URL and then download. So let's add another one. So we'll go new record, and the botanical name here, Choisya ternata, the Mexican orange blossom. I won't fill that in just for the moment, but I've been onto a website and I've found a URL, so I'll paste that URL into the image URL and then click download. And you'll see here in the file name, it's picked up the file name, Choisya ternata 800, because it's 800 pixels wide. It's again one of ours, and I'll click save, and you can see it's now downloading and the image will appear in the box here. So now we have two records in our database. Both will grow reasonably well in the Paris area, and we can start filling in all the other information and add other criteria. So as we fill out and expand on our information and our knowledge of plants, we build up a particular little database that holds just our information. Once we do that, of course, then we can search for plants from our little database that meet particular criteria. And let's put this one in now as a small shrub, and we'll apply the updates, and we'll go to find view, and we'll say plant type. We'll tick that box. Let's give me a list of the small shrubs, and we suspect we'll get only one. So we click find, and the database whips out, and I'll just move that across a little. It finds record number 2, the Mexican orange blossom. I'll move that back again and close, and we'll return to our edit view screen by clicking on that button there. So we now have 2 records in our database, and we can do little searches. We can print them on the screen or print them onto the printer or whatever. So I hope that gives you some idea of how you can tweak your databases to suit yourself. If you want to change the language in any of these, you can do so by simply editing the descriptions for the various options in the field.